Well, this is going to be an update, or the third update on our EvWest Volkswagen electric conversion. Kind of a progress report, I suppose, or more likely like a lack of progress report. So I'm going to go over some of the details of what's been happening. This actually started in July when we first got our initial shipment in from EvWest. And as you can see here, we have the controller unit that mounts on top of this plate. This controller mounts on top of this plate that mounts on top of the little motor that goes in the back of the engine compartment. This centerpiece here is a cooling tray, and what it does is it basically, you can see all these little grooves in here. There is an antifreeze or something that flows through there that, let me see if I can flip this over without damaging anything, that basically mounts like this, using some of this sealant or gasket maker that the EvWest provides to seal it, and then you run bolts and so forth like that. On the edge here you can see three outlets. One is for cooling in, cooling out, or coolant in, coolant out, and then a switch that switches the electrical pump, we'll call it, to make that coolant flow. So, and then this would mount on here, then this would mount on there like that, then this would mount on top like that. So the big problem is that EvWest has not been able to provide us with the cooling motor, the cooling heater core type looking things, or the cooling fans, or the lines, or the switches, or the nipples that fit onto the edge of that. So I'm going to walk real quick to the office. I'm going to show you what I mean by those little components, and we're getting kind of frustrated, and their only real answer to us so far, after numerous and numerous requests, has been, well, we're not making that anymore, and we can refund you that portion of it. Well, that's not doing us any good, and so anyway, let me get into the office here real quick. You can see right here, this is the little pump that is supposed to come with the kit, with EvWest name on it and everything, and that would pump the coolant through that cooling tray. This is the whole system basically that should be provided with this kit that we have not received. And you can see right here the pump. This is the cooling radiator, and these are the two cooling fans that mount right on the radiator, and then these are some miscellaneous hose clamps and so forth. And so there's a little bit better view of the cooling radiator and of the fan motors themselves, and there's the thing. So, and according to their web page, I don't know if you can see this, it says, "We're sorry, the manufacturer, them, has discontinued this product. This page is up for reference. Please contact us for more options." Well, the only option they gave us was to refund us the money for that portion of it and go find yourself another way to cool it, or they said something about using a cooling system off of a PC gaming system. Well, that still doesn't do us any good, because we don't know how much heat we have to remove from the system. We don't know what temperature the switch is designed to be at to switch the motor back off and on. Plus, we want a professional looking part. We want it to look really good, and so really frustrated with EvWest and not real happy, and we don't know what our options are at this point, what we're going to do yet. But so anyway, that's where we're at on this kit, and I suppose my enthusiasm for this whole thing has kind of diminished some due to their lack of follow-through with us. We've tried to contact them numerous times over the summer and the fall, and now here we are, winter. So not sure where we're going to go on this yet, again, or still, but hoping we can still complete this project. But anyway, so we're out for now. and I'll update more once I hear more back from EvWest. Thanks. Bye.